This new one-touch rain wand allows you to turn the water on and off right from your thumb. Simply move your thumb forward to turn the water on, and move it back to turn the water off. As you see, when I'm turning the water on and off, I have complete control of the water flow. This new rain wand comes with a 400 water breaker at the end for a nice, easy shower for watering plants. And this new trigger valve allows you to be able to save water when moving from plant to plant.
When it comes to watering, flowers, vegetables, shrubs, and trees all like a little something different. When it's time to tidy up, different strategies work best for different tasks. Gilmore watering nozzles let you dial in the precise spray you want, from drenching coverage to a long-range pinpointed stream, quickly, easily, and comfortably. Water the way Mother Nature intended by picking the pattern that's right for the job. For gentle, rain-like watering, turn the front spray head to the flower or garden setting. Wash off your planting mess by turning the head to the clean setting for maximum spray strength. You can adjust the force of the spray on any setting with the flow control dial on the back of the nozzle. Decide how you want to control your watering by choosing from 3 different trigger options. With the Easy Click control, it's 1 click on, 1 click off for effortless watering at the push of a button. Pick up a front control watering nozzle that requires 4 times less effort to squeeze than a rear control nozzle. Use the hold open clip on the front control watering nozzle to deliver a continuous stream without tiring your hands. All-in-one thumb control lets you turn your spray on and off and adjust water intensity with just a single finger. No squeezing and no hand fatigue. Easily moving between watering and cleaning up after gardening not only makes for quick work, but it also helps your outdoor space shine. Dialing in the perfect spray? That's a better day.